yung mga uniforme na nakita sa Porac na may People's Liberation Army seal is an indication that Chinese military people are running the show in these facilities. Sinisinumulan na po tayo ng kanilang operasyon.
I don't want to be emotional, Your Honor, but I think, may I say with this statement that I think it's high time for us, the government officials, interagency, especially the Filipino people, na sana talaga magkaisa maintindihan yung problema.
This is mind conditioning. Naalala niyo po ba yung mga tarpaulin na ganito na kung saan gagawin tayong probinsya ng China? This is a mind setting. This is mind conditioning. Ilan pa kaya ang alis go sa ating mga elected officials? Ilan pa kaya sa kanila o sa amin o sa atin dito ang supported directly or indirectly by the wide, comprehensive mobilization of their different elements to perpetrate their intention to control our nation and invade us without firing a single bullet.
To protect our national interest. Yes, I agree that there is a national security implication.
And this book that you have given me, the silent invasion that is happening in Australia as well, the China's influence in Australia, the same thing is happening in this country. Pero marami po sa ating mga kasamahan ang bulok.
Banggitin ko lang, Mr. Chair, for the information of everybody. Pagkabanggit kay General Acorda na parang ang impression ng iba ay ano siya doon parang protector ang dating. Pero in fairness to General Acorda, Mr. Chair, ang operation ni Colonel Alejandro was February 1, 2023. The following day, February 2, 2023, nasibak sa pwesto si Colonel Alejandro. And General Acorda, nag-assume po siya April 24, 2023. Ibig sabihin po, nasibak na si Colonel Alejandro bago pa siya nag-assume as Chief PNP. And on March 13, 2024, nag-conduct ng operation si Colonel Boyacao. Successful din. Si General Acorda nag-assume naman April 1, 2024. Nag-retire. And after his retirement, on April 17, 2024, doon nasibak sa pwesto si Colonel Boyacao. In other words, doon sa pagka-relieve ni Colonel Alejandro and Colonel Boyacao, definitely wala sa position si General Acorda, Mr. Chair.
Most of your years in your career ay sa Intel ka. So, basically, alam mo yung nangyayari sa Region 3 about sa Pogo.
Sort of, Your Honor.
Nauna, pumutok na po to, Chief PNP, no? At yung pong nararamdaman during that time, that you tap your own people, kasi NCR to, tapos si IDG to ng NCR, ito ang ginamit po ninyo doon sa operation. And it was successful. As a matter of fact, naging successful po yun. Now, it can be told that yung nasa intelligence nyo po, gathering nyo, napatunayan nyo na napakalaki nitong problema. Di po ba?
Yes, Your Honor. And in fact, I was touched by your opening statement, and I'm happy to hear with that opening statement, sir, because I think it's high time for the Filipino people to know what is happening in our country, Your Honor.
Indeed, meron kang mga nalalaman na hindi namin nalalaman na maaari mong i-share sa amin. Because this entails national security. And maybe a lot of our PNP officials, maybe hindi pa po nila alam kung gaano kagrabe itong kinalalagyan natin ngayon. Nakita po natin yung problema na kinakaharap. Can you kindly share to us now that it is being exposed to a lot of our countrymen yung nangyayari sa ating bansa? Because hindi lamang to ang elemento, di ba? You have this moral obligation to our people even now that you are retired. Because you have gathered a lot of intelligence. Please, share it to us.
Talaga naman pong napaka-importante dahil pinagtutuunan po natin ng pansin yung ating po mga social evils ng POGO, kagaya po ng human trafficking, na ating pong advokasya, prostitusyon, scamming, torture, at marami pa pong iba. Ganun din po yung napakalaking revenues ng ating gobyerno na sinasabi po nating maaaring nakukuha sa POGO at nawawala rin pong revenues. Pero dapat po pagdiinan po natin at bigyan natin ng madiin na posibilidad na nagagamit din po ang mga POGO para sa ating mga military intelligence operations ng military ng China laban sa ating national security at interest. Dahil bakit ko po nasabi, napakarami pong uniforme ang nakita po sa mga POGO hubs. Masisili po natin ang anggulo na ito dahil dito ang People's Liberation Army ng China, yung uniforme, ito po ba ay ginagamit na uniforme ng mga security ng mga POGO?
Bilang retired police commission officer, naniniwala po ako, yan yung sinasabi ni Honorable Congressman Paduano. Yang bakit maraming excess officers or bakit maraming floating na police commission officers sinusweldo ng gobyerno, ng taong bayan, pero yung trabaho nila hindi tugma do sa kanilang posisyon. Ibig sabihin po, Mr. Chair, may problema doon. Parang kung titingnan natin, parang yung engineer, pinwesto mo, karpintero. Kasi hindi commensurate doon sa kanyang position eh.
Sa lahat ng ahensya ng ating gobyerno na nakikipagsabwatan sa kalaban ng ating bansa, must be held responsible. Pero katulad ng sinabi ko kanina sa aking opening remarks, let's move forward. Magkaisa tayo. Huwag nating hayaan yung mga nagkasala, but moving forward, magkaisa tayo because our freedom is at stake.